Hello and welcome back to La WEBA. Okay, before we start absolutely everything, we need two things. First, the smartphone and the smartwatch both fully charged, because if I dial a number here, it will make the call and I will be able to talk through the watch, and I will also be able to hear through it. If by any chance this Bluetooth pairing request alert shows up, we always click on pair always. What is this for? This is so we can hear the person directly through the watch, and we can also speak through it. And well, that's been today's video. If you like it, if it helps you or inform you, give me a like, comment and share this video. It really helped us a lot to reach more people. With nothing more to say, take care and see you next time. Bye bye.